Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, I'm going to show you how to benefit from that drop and to become a millionaire in the future. Yes, it's not that easy how I'm telling you. But if you got the right capital and right money management, you're going to be. So, as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, it's finished here like that. Why? Because Binance, they're back in the deal. They're signing with FTX, and that FTX, it got millions of problems now because I think that FTX now is going to bankrupt because that Sam, he using the money of investors to give debt to other people, and that's something very, very bad, guys. But that things is very good will happening. First things, it's happened for Luna. Second things, for Celsius. Now it's happening for FTX, and that is going to cleaner the market from scammers and thieves, guys. And that was me I've been telling you all along, guys. So, by the way, now let's going back to the topic. So for weekly, we tell you to buy from here, guys. Yes or no? Not from there, exactly from here. From that candle here, we tell you to buy, and the end of the week, we tell you maybe there is a drop is going to come, and that's what's happening now. As you see it, guys. And I told you when we buy from here, what did I told you? I told you divided your capital 50%, you buy it from that level here, and another 50% you leave it as a backup. That was me I told you, yes or no? And what did I told you? Else, I told you, I'm going to buy from here, from 15,985, and as you see it, guys, it's being triggered here. So that 50% will left, you divide it at 2. That man, if you got $100, you buy $50 from here, you are left with $50. You divide it at 2 like that. So now from that level here, you buy $25, and $25 will left. Either if the market fall down till here, till 12,867, you buy again. But I don't think it's going to fall down till that much. I think from that level here, maybe you're going to reverse. That dependent because that the market, no one can know what is it in the future, guys. You get what I'm saying or no? So from that level here, you buy with 25%, guys. We left from that 50% we buy here. So you buy 25% here and 25% other, you leave it down here. Me, I've been in the market, guys, for long, and I know I've been telling you that. I tell you that is the bottom, guys. But after the bottom, they need to make small players to get scared. Then after that, they will push it higher, guys. I see that in 2015, I see it in 2019, and now I see it here again. That's why me I buy from here, guys. And another thing, why me I buy from there? Let me show it to you. You're going to tell me news. You're going to tell me all those things. Also, we anticipating that falling down before all that news coming, guys. You can find it in our channel before FTX came, before anyone. All those things, also, we tell you all those things. Because we got here the lower of that trend line as you see it, guys. That's why I told you to buy some from here. And if it drop below, we will buy more at 12K. Everything is too clear, guys? And you, as if me, I am the person who investing my money. That way I'm telling you to buy now. And that thanks me, I do it. I can even show you my broker, guys. I don't have any problem in that. I buy from here, me, I buy from here, I buy from here, and I buy today here. And if it fall down here, I will buy again. Because I'm a believer in the Bitcoin, guys. That's what we saw in the .com bubble. A lot of companies, they went bankrupt. Now you saw it now again. The history to repeat itself, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here. That's why I told you to buy. That indicator, I trust in it with blind eyes. When it enter here to the oversold area, the daily, I buy. As you see it. Also, we are here at the oversold area, guys. And it's much you will never see it here again in the daily, guys. Yes, also we still here in a downtrend of all those things. But when it enter here at the daily at oversold area, I buy. And the Bitcoin, it's not fish is going to get spoiled. It's nothing. Just when you buy it, I told you yesterday, use the wallet. His name Ledger S. There is Ledger Plus. There is millions. By the way, it's not expensive. It's doing only $60 in Amazon. Go and buy it. When you go to Binance, use only Binance. Forget about Bybit. Forget about all the others. Use only Binance because the regulation of Binance is too high compared to the others. Use Binance. Buy the Bitcoin, and there is videos here. They show you how to buy peer-to-peer if Binance is not allowed in your country. When you buy, send the Bitcoin to your wallet and leave it there. It will not get spoiled. It's not fish. It's not meat. It's not vegetables. It's just a crypto or a digital currency. You leave it in your wallet. Everything is too clear, guys? So, by the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel. Every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos, so like that you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's very simple steps. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. By the way, all those things me I'm telling you, it's not a financial advice, guys. Remember that. If you're going to invest at your own risk. Me, I give you my investment plan, and me, I take all the responsibility for all my investment. If I lose, I will not cry because it's me who make the decisions. Even the same thing for you, my friend. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. As you see it, I tell it to you from here, you're going to see a big going up, guys. Remember my word. And tomorrow, it's coming very stronger news. So let's go into see the coming news for tomorrow, guys, for pictures to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, that's the coming news for tomorrow. That's the coming news. And maybe tomorrow we're going to hear the result of the election of USA. Yes, it's getting delayed, but till now it's showing us that the party of Joe Biden, they're losing the Congress. And tomorrow is going to come the CPI, guys, as you see it. And initial job claims or jobless claim. That's when the people, they're losing the job of them. That is going to tell you a very clear picture about the unemployment rate which is coming, guys. Everything is too clear, so be worried about that news, guys. I told you maybe tomorrow you're going to see a big volatility and you will miss the buying opportunity, guys. Everything is too clear. Another thing, guys, the table also we follow every time. As you see it, that one also we follow it every time. Yes or no? What it's showing to us? It's showing to us all US stocks, they are red today. Yes or no? And another thing, our friend, that one also we follow it every time, is the VIX. That's what me have been telling you all along. It's not yet. It's 26, guys. Yes or no? It's still a lot of scarness. And yesterday we used to be 25. Today we go up, guys. So people, they still worried about what's happening. And that idiot Sam of FTX, he's spoiling the world of crypto. Like Edward Snowden, what he's saying, he said they calling him a criminal. That person is a serious criminal, what he done. And another thing here, look at it. The dollar index, guys. It went up a little bit today. But tomorrow, believe me, tomorrow you're going to see a big drop in the dollar index. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going back to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours for swing trading. Also, we are the only YouTube channel we told you is going to fall down where we used to be here. If you remember in that zone. Why? We tell you all that before all the coming news, before we heard about that FTX, everything. Also, we tell it to you from here. Yes or no? And we tell you another thing here, what we told you. Here, exactly here, what we told you. You can find it still in our channel before all that drop happening. We told you got here a cup and handle. Yes or no? It's being broken here. Look how much you fall down, guys. Yes or no? Now, what should you do here for swing trading? I'm not talking about long-term investment. Long-term investment, we finish from it in the daily. For swing trading here, it's still very early for you guys. It need to give you here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. Something like that maybe. Till now there is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse, guys. Yes or no? And here, if you zoom out like that and you see the clear picture, guys, here, what you seeing? Here like that, what you seeing? From here to here, what you seeing? We're being here in a rested level, guys. Yes or no? And there is in the wake of a very famous pattern or structure or market structure. It's saying there is a breakout down. Then after that, you're going to see a big moving up, guys. Yes or no? So now, let's wait on what's going to happen, guys. It might here you buying with a discount. That's what me have been telling you. But here in the 4 hours, it's still very early for you to thinking of to buy. Yes or no? And I show you that one before. What did I told you here you got? I told you all that. You got here a very clear wage here in the 4 hours, guys. So its might is going to fall down till 12k down. Yes or no? As you see it. So here in the 4 hours, it's still very early for you to buy. For long-term investment, it's okay. We buy them because us, we try to buy in a discount. Here in the 4 hours, for people, they want to swing trade, it's still very early for you to thinking of even to enter. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it. Here in the 4 hours, look till where it reach. Should you buy here in the 4 hours? No, my friend. And also, the only YouTube channel will tell you a big drop is going to come here because we used to have here a very clear divergence here and we have one in the daily, but here in the 4 hours, no, it's still very early, guys, for you to thinking of the market is going to reverse. It's need now to give us a price action. Yes, when it's enter here at the oversold area, is a big and highly chance the market is going to reverse. But till now, it's still very early, guys. Like how it happened here. When we enter the overbought area, you see all that big drop. What happening now? Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us. Please support us. Also, we are the only YouTube channel will give you the honest review of us about the market. Majority of the others, they never ever trade. They just copy from each other and they put it there. You done it, my friend? Thank you very much. Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys. That one here, as you see it, it's enter here at the oversold area. Should you buy? No, my friend. There is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. There is nothing here telling you the market is going to reverse. Maybe you're going to see it dropping more, guys. Yes, no, yes or no? And here, look at the volume. What it's showing you. The volume, yes, it's showing here a divergence, but you don't need to base your trading because of the volume, guys. We need here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. That's why also we will enter long. Till now, there is nothing, guys. Before, we used to have here a cup and handle like that, and we used to have here a wage like that. All those things, we used to have it there. But now here, there is nothing, guys. And moving upward, it will not be like that fast. It's going to take some time, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. The last video where we used to be. Here. Exactly here. What did I told you here? I told you have a wage. If it's breaking up, you enter long. Did it break? No, my friend. Look at it. Actually, it's breaking down. Now, what do you have here? Did you have any price action indicating the market is going to reverse here in 30 minutes? No, my friend. There is no price action indicating here the market is going to reverse. Unless if you can, and you draw it like that, a channel, maybe that one. Like that, you waiting the market to come upward and to break the top of it here to enter long. Something else, there is nothing, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator, it's still here at the oversold area. That the first condition level, you are in a very stronger level. I'll show it to you in the daily. Price action, you got that one. That down channel here, as you see it. It's need the market to come and to break the top of it for you to enter long, guys. Something else don't even thinking of to do it. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you when European market close. Bye for now, guys.